This one's going to be kind of difficult because you see how we have different spotches of different levels of bleaching. Like here we have almost a white, and here's mostly yellow, and here's just some browns. We have lots of yellow tones in here and some of the blues in here. So each one of these is going to have to be matched separately. This is a bleach neutralizer. It stops the chemicals already in the carpet from working any further. Because the bleach is a chemical reaction. Stop. I am agitating the carpet with the bleach neutralizer to make sure that it hits every fiber and goes all the way down.
Put a little bit more blue in. With the dropper. Once we get it, then we'll add stabilizer to it. Highlighting a little bit. Okay, a little bit more blue, but you still got a pink hue to it. Blue here.
There we go.
Still a little bit of pink in there. Start that up.
I like the back plummet so I can see my spots.
I got it. I have got it. Alright, where's my big yellow and white? How'd that look?
He's using a bit of a lighter pink, and since this area already has a lot of red in it, I'm just going over with blue to see if we can match it. What I'm doing right now is we've mixed up what we believe is a close enough color, and now we're going over it and filling her in. Look at that. Beautiful. And after doing some extra, we take the brown, and then we take some blue and red and touch it up, and there's a difference. See, this is the brown that we used, and this is where I've touched it up with some blue and red and just going by my eyesight.
Adding a little bit more blue. Obviously somebody tried to bleach out a red stain. We got a multitude of stains underneath here. We're trying to fill in that yellow right now. See, pretty much restored this color right back.
And this is our after. It's a little bit darker because of the staining that was underneath the bleach, but that's pretty good compared to the before.